Dear international students, welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we have a new opportunity for you, and this is from the Turkey. It's a fully funded scholarship in Turkey, and it's for the session 2022 and 2023. We will discuss about how to get this fully funded government scholarship in Turkey, and that too without IELTS. We will discuss full application detail. Any student from any country can apply and pursue bachelor's, master's, and PhD under this scholarship. Also, research programs are available. We will discuss about these Turkish scholarships and how to fill the application, complete application process, how to choose and how to get one. Before that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are watching this video from if you have been watching previously, please do subscribe. And if you are new here for the first time, please do subscribe and like this video. Press the thumbs up button so that we get encouraged and do more, bring you new opportunities tomorrow. To get to this scholarship link, you can check the video description below. Link is mentioned in the video description. Click on that link, it will take you to same website here. Similarly, you can follow us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships. Link is also given in Instagram bio, or you can just message us on Instagram and ask your doubts or queries regarding documents. Similarly, before messaging us, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel as we can easily find your data to answer your queries. Also, comment down if you have any doubt. Please watch full video so that later you cannot miss any part of the video and find difficulties in applying to Turkey scholarship. Many scholarship videos for this Turkey scholarship are on YouTube, but we will show you completely detailed process as many of our alumni from full scholarships have been receiving the scholarships in past 2 years, and we have completely helped them in the filling the application process, and we guided them actually, and they achieved the scholarships. Somehow we can we will be making a live session with them on how they achieved that and how we guided and how our guide helped them. So now here is a list of Turkish scholarships. Without IELTS, you can study in these scholarships while filling the scholarship application. Also, there is a list of new scholarships. This is the Turkey Bursary Scholarship, and it's for the 2022 and 2023. There are around 5,000 scholarships to be attempted to be given to the international students to study, pursue their bachelor's, master's, or PhD degrees, whichever they want to do in the Turkey. So we have the details. Basic details are the country is Turkey. It's one of the top preferred, and food lovers do prefer this country to study on. Here you can check undergraduate, master's, short term, PhD. All courses are covered under the scholarships. And deadline for this particular opportunity is next month. That's 20th of February 2022. If you are watching this video in 2023, if you are watching this video in 2024, still the process is same and the deadline may vary only. The process steps are almost same. And here is the scholarship level, financial coverage. Every detail is mentioned for undergraduate, masters, and other academic fields. So you can check if your field is available. So you can check a lot of fields are available here, and definitely it will cover your field too. Now eligibility criteria is just for bachelor's, master's, and PhD mentioned on the website. All you have to do is just check the same website. No, so you have to read details carefully. Now scroll down and you can check required document, then deadline, and now at the end there is how to apply for Turkey Bursary Scholarship. At the end, we have given this red link, a red button link. Visit the official website of Turkey Government Scholarship. Just click on this link here. Before we proceed to filling the application process on the official website, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment down if you have doubt in filling this till this point of the video. Now, after that, you have your no doubts. If you have still, you can just comment down. Now, once you reach end of this page, you can see this. Visit the official website of Turkey Government Scholarship. Click on this button here. So once you click on this, it will take you to the official Turkey 2022 applications portal. Here you can read the poster. It's mentioning placement and program, accommodation, health insurance, and all details are mentioned under this. Even the flight tickets are mentioned, and the dates, last dates, and deadlines are mentioned here. So you might have read it by your own, or you might have watched previously many videos, but still have any doubts in how to solving that. We will completely fill the application process. Now, when you are on this page, just scroll down a little bit, reading the all details. Here at the end, you can see apply now button given here. So click on this apply now button here. Once you click on this apply now button, it will take you to this type of page here. Now, if you are here for the first time, click on this register button. If you have previously signed up by watching other videos, you can just log in and we will moving that in the while. So for the first time users, please click on this register button here. So after click on registration button, this type of page will appear. So you have to fill name, middle name, surname, gender, date of birth, nationality, email again, then password, generate a password, secret question and secret question answer. Then I am not a robot, I approve, and then just save. Once you save that, you will have this email and this password, and you have to use the same email and same password. Then click on this login button here. Once you do that, once you are successfully having the email and password, click on login button, and once you click on login button, it will take you to this type of page here. Now in your case there will be no ticks on the left hand side, as I have pre-filled the details in order to save time, in order to show you how to fill the details. I have pre-filled them. In your case there will be a red apostrophe marks like this. In this case it's a yellow, and in your case it will be red here. Now as when you click on this home page, there will be these sections of the scholarships: bachelor scholarship, master's scholarship, PhD scholarship, and research scholarship. Now as all of you might be wanting to have the bachelor scholarship, you can click that, or art scholarship. Some might have be having the graduate scholarship and art scholarship. So both bachelor's, masters, and PhD and research scholarship, all of these scholarship have the same application portal. So there is nothing different. If I show you for bachelor's, it will same apply to masters, just there will be one additional section you have to add in the education. Now I hope to this point it's clear to you what it's required for them. Now just click on the personal information here. In your case it will be showing that you are not eligible to scholarships right now before filling the details. Now in the personal information, you have to click on this edit button. In your case there will be no details filled here. Just click on this edit button and fill the name, surname, male, martial status, date of birth, country of birth, city of birth, passport, passport number, passport type. It choose international country code, and upload photograph here. Then click on save button here. Then scroll down and choose the religion, ethnicity, and disability status. After that, click on save. Now there will be a tick on your section. Similarly, click on the family information and fill the family information. Click on edit. When you click on family information, click on edit and fill the mother's name. Is she alive? Dad's name. Is she alive? Siblings, how many brothers, sisters do you have? Just their stats, and then click on save. Similarly, then this tick will go below. Similarly, add the contact information. Click on edit button here. Add the contact, country name, street, postal code, phone number, mobile number, street address, building number, door number, whichever is applicable to you. Then scroll down. Do you have it residing at this address? Say how many years have you lived at this address? So it's like you from the birth, from you have been born there. Then click on the save, and similarly this will turn below here. Then click on the education information. So if you are applying for the bachelor's, you have to add middle school and high school, then associate degree too. If you are applying for masters, then you have to add associate degree if you have, or bachelor's degree. Then for postgraduate you have to add these sections. For PhD you have to add these sections. So all you have to do is just add high school, middle school, these sections, whichever degree you have, and this will go below here. Then click on the language details. Choose the native language. Which language do you speak? Other skills, if you have other language. Do you have Turkish language skills? You can say yes or no by just adding them. Then click on save, and this will go below here. Then click on work experience. If you have work experience, then you need to fill it. It is not mandatory. Then click on academic qualifications. Now this is important. Just add the academic qualification, which bachelor's, which degree you have, and then click on save. So I have added only bachelor's. You can add other degrees if you have. This will go green again. Now click on social activities. If you have been in social activities, if you have any awards, projects, you can add that. But it's not mandatory. You can skip it, and this will be yellow in if you skip it. And in my case, I have already added it, so it will be go below here. Then click on the Turkey experience. So if you have anyone in Turkey, if you have been to Turkey, if you have any relation to Turkey, you have to just add that, and you can also skip that. And in my case I have no experience, I have answered no, 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 and then saved, and it will go green. So now I have all sections, but I have no applications currently. So what I need to do is to fill the application. I have filled all sections, and now I click on this home page button here. So if you have any doubt, if you are getting error in any of these personal information, family information, contact info, if you are getting error in any of these fields, just comment down below that I am getting, or message us on Instagram. You can check our username, it's full scholarship. Just message us, and before messaging us, please do subscribe. Now, one when we are on this, click on homepage, we have filled all details, we are ready to fill the scholarship. Now in my case, I want to fill the master's degree scholarship. I will click on master's degree scholarship, and I want to graduate scholarship. Now, so I have already done bachelor's, so let me show you the graduate scholarship program. I want to do master's program, and click on this apply button here. Now to continue your application, you must add your undergraduate detail in the system. Click add now. So it's asking for the undergraduate system. So okay, let me skip this. Many students ask it, please you always show the master's degree, please show the undergraduate. So this time I will be showing undergraduate. Okay, so now you are looking for undergraduate scholarship. So in the same case, I have to click on this apply button here. So okay, let me zoom it a little bit so that you can easily answer the show the question. So what did you do after your graduation from high school? So I worked, I started training at higher level. I did nothing. So you can say yes. So you can say some personal problem or some personal finance. You can answer the question accordingly. So here you can check. Now you can click on this apply button here. So before proceeding to fill the details on this scholarship, please check the all. Click on this I accept. Now your age is not suitable for the scholarship. Okay, so I am only eligible for the master, so I'll be adding the masters. So in your case, you have to be the eligible to the age. So now master's degree undergraduate scholarship program. So I click on apply. To continue, you must add the undergraduate. So let me add the click on add now, and let me add the my bachelor's degree. So click the country where you have. So in the same manner, you have to fill the details. So then select the university from the list if it is in the list. So you can just check the university. So choose the graduation that you had. Then okay. So let me change the institution. So just choose the university where you had. Here is the, so this is the university. Okay. Choose the start date. When did you started the graduation? Choose the graduation date, and choose the grading system. So I have the percentile. So okay. So 10. So I have 9, and here is 99. Then attach the diploma and transcript. Attach this degree certificate and trans mark sheets. So let me attach these first. So I have uploaded both diploma and degree certificate and transcript. If you have studied a different, you can add that. And have you achieved any significant ranking? So you can say yes. So did you? So you have can say at university I have achieved a rank 2, and so you can say yes I have, but you can skip also. Now click on save, and our degree should be added. So it should take few seconds. So now go back to home page, click on the masters, click on apply button here, click I accept, and now you have to do the scholarship part. So now application conditions, choose required documents, original documents. I keep in mind, click I have read and save. Now preferences, add the university, choose the university as English. So I mark this. Then click on save. So you have to add university by preferences. Now I hereby agree and okay. If it's not available here, you'll be agreeing that I can add another university. Now click another university, and in this case now click second, scroll down, click save. So you have to choose three preferences and rank them in order to now click save. So now click on letter of intent, and in the letter of intent just answer these questions in this section. Just answer these questions, and subject of study, research questions, analysis of the program. If you need help in these research method, these are just preliminary answers, and just answer these questions very carefully. And literature review, it's just a research proposal, you have to add here that research proposal, and then click on this all details, and once you are done, click on save. So now you have to go to the interview location. So which interview location do you want? So let me choose the my country and stick select city. So you can say it's available in this city also. So you have to choose your study. You have to choose the country where you want your interview to be held if you are accepted for this scholarship. So there will be just in now these days they are only taking the online interview, and there's nothing to worry about that. Now click on the reference information. So add the referee. Click on this add. So you have to add the two references from your previous professors. So just adding. So I am just adding that. So add the reference. So I have added reference. This belong information belongs to my academic reference and this. So you can, if you have alumni, you can add that and then click on save. So in the matter of seconds, now reference information we have to add one more. So let me add one more. So let me add reference. Now I have added reference. Click on save. So okay, there are some mandatory fields. Click on save. Now click on the joint information. Okay. So research Turkish scholarships ISDB. So if you would like to be considered for other scholarship also, click yes. It's an ISDB. We have already made video on that. It's a joint ISDB scholarship and this. Now click on the summary information. So here you can check. Take this mark. I have this application form has been completed and I certify that. Now you can check application form. If you still find any difficulty, any doubt in any question, you can edit that. And now you are ready to accept and submit. Click on this submit button here. So you can check your application is evaluating the evaluation. So our application is successfully submitted. Now here you can check that the that apostrophe mark is also gone now. When you click on home button, you can add other scholarships. Now at the home, you can check our scholarship is under evaluation. So similarly, you can delete that also if you don't want to be considered for this scholarship. If you have any doubt in a Turkey scholarship, Turkey bursary scholarship, in any of the fields, you can just comment down below and we will answer that query. Before commenting and messaging us on Instagram, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. I am signing off for full scholarships, hoping that you will definitely subscribe to this channel, and this video was very helpful for you. Please subscribe and press the thumbs up button. I am signing off for full scholarships. Have a nice day ahead.